Hello, this is the unboxing of Apple Watch Ultra 3. The size of this device 49mm, black, tea black. We also have recommendation. It actually requires the iPhone 11 at least and the iOS 26 or the newer one. Over here we've got some paperwork. That's the overview of our device with some base information. And here we can find some safety information about charging this device. Inside we can find two boxes with straps and with Apple Watch. So on the right side we can find that function button, crown control button. On the left side there's second one, dedicated button. There's the speaker, microphones all around. At the bottom we can find two buttons to add or remove straps. And at the bottom we can find that huge sensors, some base information, what version we have. So in my case I've got GPS, solar data, size, and screen protection. Inside this part we can find charger. I'm gonna also check if the charger from Apple Watch Series 10 is working properly. Well, I was actually wondering if we can use straps from Apple Watch Series 10. And yes, as you can see, it's supported. It fits well over here, over here. It's not gonna fall out of this. Now, if you are looking for some tutorials about Apple Watch Ultra 3, I can highly recommend you to visit my channel. Thanks for watching.